In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Google Drive, quota limit exceed issue or error creating a shortcut. By the end, you'll be able to clear space to remove the quota exceeded error and resolve permissions and naming issues that cause the error creating shortcut message, so you can keep working without interruptions. First, let's fix the quota exceeded issue. On your screen, open Google Drive. From the left sidebar, click Storage. And this view shows how much of your Google Drive storage you've used and which files take up the most space. Take a moment to confirm your available space here so you know how much you need to free up. Next, delete large files. Still in the storage view, sort by storage used if it isn't already. Click to select the biggest files you no longer need. Then click Remove. This moves them to trash, which means they still take up space until the trash is emptied. If you're unsure about a file, pause and confirm it's safe to delete. Removing the largest items first is the fastest way to free up meaningful space. Now go to Trash and empty it. In the left sidebar, click Trash. Review the contents one last time. When you're ready, click Empty Trash, then Confirm. This permanently deletes everything in trash and immediately frees up storage. Because this action can't be undone, only proceed if you're certain you don't need those files. Wait a few minutes and retry your action. Storage totals can take a short time to update across Google's systems. Give it a moment, then try the same upload, copy, or save that previously showed quota exceeded. If you see your storage bar reflect the new free space, you're set. And now let's fix the error creating shortcut issue. Make sure you have edit access. Right-click the file or folder you're trying to create a shortcut to and open share. In the sharing panel, check the permission next to your account. It should say editor. If it shows viewer or commenter, that's read-only and shortcuts may fail. You'll need editor level access for this to work reliably. Ensure the target folder is not read-only or shared view-only. Navigate to the folder where you want the shortcut to live. Right-click it and open share. Confirm your permission on that folder also shows editor, not just viewer. If the destination is view-only, Drive may block creating new items in it. Try creating the shortcut in My Drive if a shared drive is restricted. Go back to the original file or folder. I'm going to right-click it and choose Add Shortcut to Drive. In the picker, select My Drive as the location rather than a shared drive with strict permissions. Click Add Shortcut. You should see a small shortcut icon appear. Placing it in My Drive bypasses shared drive restrictions that can cause the error. Rename the file or folder to remove special characters. If you're still seeing error creating shortcut, click once on the item's name to rename it. Remove characters like slashes, backslashes, question marks, colons, or emojis. Keep it simple with letters, numbers, spaces, dashes, or underscores. Press enter to save the new name, then try Add Shortcut to Drive again. Refresh Drive or restart your browser. Click the browser's refresh button to reload Google Drive and clear temporary glitches. If the error persists, you close and reopen your browser, sign back in a Drive, and repeat the shortcut steps. After a fresh session, the shortcut should create without errors. At this point, your Google Drive quota exceeded issue should be resolved and shortcuts should create successfully without the error creating shortcut message. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.